RatPigs go squeak oink. Squeak oink, YouTube. Welcome back to RatPig's Garage. Today we're going to do another garage upgrade video. I'm going to be installing the WonderWinder. I picked this up at Northern Tools for 15 bucks, and I figured if it didn't work, I wasn't out too much, and if it did work, that would be it'd be actually worth the 15 bucks, very much worth the 15 bucks. And the reason I'm getting this is because on my garage there are no outlets on the interior wall. None. I have no idea what the builder was thinking. There are only two outlets in the garage. Basically one on here, one here, and one down there. That's it for the entire garage. So basically we're going to be installing a winder probably somewhere around there, and that way I have a 25-foot cord I got for it as well, and should be able to easily pull an extension cord over to the workbench where I'm going to need it. So let's take a look at this thing. It's plastic. It's not great plastic. What do you expect for 15 bucks? Back here is the wall mount, so you can actually remove it from the wall and move it. It comes disassembled. You have to put the crank on, but you can put the crank on either the left side or you put the crank on the right side, and they include a screw and a washer to do that. The square crank is kind of cheap. There's not like a hole to put the screw into. It's a slot, so it's basically molded in as opposed to a square peg that they added a hole to for the screw later, which basically means when you put that screw in, there's a chance that you could put it in a little sideways, a little cattywampus, not quite straight, but I don't think it matters all that much. It seems to work all right. Inside we've got an idler arm with a little wheel on it. It's kind of dark in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Back up a little bit so we get the light down in there. And you push that back and crank it, and that holds the wire, the extension cord against the wheel, and allows it to go in. And it's supposed to cord down in this fishnet type deal. So we're going to go mount it and put a thing on it, wind it and unwind it a couple times, and see if it was worth the 15 bucks. Okay. So when you're pre-drilling, basically you want a bit that's just slightly smaller than the shank on what you're going in. You don't want to drill the hole out too big, otherwise you'll just tear the wood out and you won't get a good fit. You just want to remove enough material so you don't split the wood. The reason I'm using an impact gun is because I have an impact and I have a cordless screwdriver. A cordless screwdriver doesn't have enough torque to put these screws in. So if you're using an impact machine like this and using an impact wrench as a cordless drill, just be careful you don't over torque it and strip it out. So this little plastic piece hooks onto the fishing at the bottom, and then the extension cord wraps through it. And what that does is, as you're feeding cord into the net, it keeps it from running out the bottom, thus causing it to coil up. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. Okay, so you gotta use this little pushback on this lever. It pushes an idler wheel up against the big wheel, an idler arm, and you just crank. Voila! For 15 bucks? Not bad. We'll have to see how long it lasts, but you know, if I need to take it down, all you do is pull this pin out. Comes out. I'm not sure if I can get it to go sideways. Possibly. No, it won't go sideways, which is kind of a bummer. It'd be nice to push it sideways and push it flat against the wall. But yeah, not bad at all. And then I also got a 200 amp, it seems like, 3-way plug to go with it. I know that current on this little extension cord is a lot less than this one, but I'm not going to be using all that stuff. I really just wanted the 3-headed monster here, and this was the only size they had available. It was this 12 gauge.